Turntable Class with GB Audio. Today I'm going to show you how to measure up your turntable to get the correct size of replacement belt. Here's a standard type Japanese belt drive turntable. First thing we'll do is lift off the perspex cover to give us room to work on it safely. We lift off the rubber mat, put it to the side, then the platter you lift up using these finger holes. Now we can see underneath here we've got the old belt. My guess is that it's too long, it'll have stretched in situ, so let's just check. It's not broken, sometimes they break, this one isn't broken, so let's just run it round the edge of the platter to see. Yes, you can see it's too slack, so when the platter gets turned the right way up, the belt just drops off. That means it's too loose, so it won't stay on the platter to drive it. Now there's two ways that we can get the correct measurement. One, simplest way, is to measure with a tape measure, straight across like this. We've got 209 millimeters there, right across the center. The other way you can measure it, if you prefer, is to take a piece of string and run it round the perimeter of the hub here. Cross over the string, pull it nice and tight, and then mark it with a marker. Now we can lay this in a line and measure it with a ruler. So working from the diameter of 209 millimeters, we multiply by pi 3.14 for simplicity, gives us 656 millimeters as a total length. Then we deduct 10 to 15 millimeters to give the right drive tension, which gives us an approximate range of belt size 641 to 646. That's our ideal size. It can be close to that, but that's ideally what we're looking for. We reference on the chart here and we see we have a 640 millimeter, so that's belt 41 for this particular turntable. Just before we replace the belt, let's just have a look at what's going on underneath here. We've got the spindle, which is the support for the platter, and this is all part of the auto return mechanism for the tone arm. Across at the side here is the motor pulley, which drives the rubber belt around the outside of the hub. Right. So let's now take our replacement belt and we fit it around the hub like that. Now it should be just tight enough to hold on but not fall off when it's turned the correct way up. To fit it, we use these holes here at the side, and if we use two fingers to hold the belt to the side, replace the platter on the spindle, and the belt hooks around the pulley at the side there. Here's a close-up so you can see the belt hooked around the motor pulley. We can put the rubber mat back on. We can reapply the lid. And if you've found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and good luck with your own turntable. Thanks for watching.